What's up everybody, this is Ash Ravens and this is day one of a lick a day, your roadmap to 365 licks. Here we go. Alright, the first lick we're going to look at is a simple blues lick in the key of A. It works over an A7 chord and goes something like this. So, although it's a simple lick, it incorporates some chromaticisms. It incorporates the major third and the minor third in a blues lick. So, one more time, slowly. Alright, and so if I break it down, it starts on the 7th on the G, bending it up to the 9th, then 5 on the B, 5 on the E, 8th on the B, 5 on the E, then 8th on the G, then 7, 6, 5 on the G, then 7 on the G again, then you roll your finger to the D, 7th fret, and then 5 on the G, 6 on the G, 7 on the D, which is the root note of the chord you're on. So one more time, slowly. And if we speed that up a little bit. Alright, there you go, your first lick of hopefully 365 licks.